Alright, today we're going to do some front end work on the BMW. We have some bushings for the front control arms. They're really worn out and wobbling all over the place. It's really kind of probably unsafe to drive, but anything over about 60, you hit a bump, you have some nice death wobble. So we're going to jack it up and pull those parts out and see if we can't press them out and press new ones in with the vise or something. So yeah, here's some time lapse. We'll come back when the bushings are out. Alright, after much pounding, we got them out. These were actually kind of hard to get off. They were stuck pretty well to the control arms. So the part we need to press out is actually the inner part of this bushing. We need to find something that'll fit around this to support the actual case while we press the bushing in and then back out, or out and then back in. So there you go. We also discovered, we've known it for a while, this ball joint is totally toast. I have that replacement ball joint. We just have to do that. So we may not do that today, but we'll probably do it tomorrow because it's got a lot of play in it. So perfect. All right, back to time lapse to press those bushings out. All right, here we are, finished product. Don't mind the oil leaks. We don't worry about that. It's leaking oil, it's got oil. Yeah, there we go. We're installed. Looks pretty good. And looks pretty good there too. So tomorrow we're gonna fix this ball joint because that's got a lot of wobble to it. So that should be relatively straightforward. I did the other one over here already and it wasn't too bad. So yeah, that's it. We're done. That's our day. We're finished. So we're gonna lower it down. It's about to rain. So lower it down. We're gonna park it back in the garage, roll the window up, and then tomorrow we'll put it back up on the lift and do the other ball joint, and then we'll go for a road test. Hopefully we can finish that before the sunlight is gone, so we can actually see what we're doing on our road test. But who knows? So, all right, thanks for watching. We will see you tomorrow.